Alright, Unit 3 Rapid version. You've already watched the first version and you don't want to hear me explain everything again, so I'm just going to go through everything very quickly here. Know what proteins do. Know that they are Schwitter ions, and they're both positive and negatively charged at a physiological pH. Even if they have a net charge of 0, they can still be charged molecules. Know everything about glycine. Know that all of them have these two pKa groups, one around 2.1 on average, the other one around 9.6, and the 3 basic, the 2 acidic, plus cysteine and tyrosine are the only ones with a pKr, and you should know what those are. Know the definition of isoelectric point. Obviously, make sure you know all these families by heart really well. Know the special characteristics, aka the R groups, of these amino acids. Proline and cysteine are two of the favorites to be asked about because they are exceptions. Proline because of amino acids, cysteine because of disulfide bonds. Know the definitions of oxidation-reduction reactions. Remember, these are the 3 characteristics, and all it needs is one of them to be an oxidation reduction. Definitely know your 2 non-protein amino acids. The other video explains the ionization and pI of the amino acids. Know what's on red on these here, which ones are smallest, which ones are biggest, the highest and lowest pIs here. Getting into large positives being hydrophobic, large negatives being hydrophilic for the R groups of the amino acids. Now your top 2 hydrophobic, water-fearing. Remember, these are all non-polar for the most part. These you have your acidic basic and 2 polar amino acids, which are hydrophilic or water-loving. So cysteine makes disulfide bonds, so its R group is kind of obscure. pI directly correlates with pH, so pepsin and eggs are low pH, cytochrome C and lysozyme are high pH. Amino acids are held together by peptide bonds. Make sure you pause the video here and memorize everything on this slide. Don't worry too much about prosthetic groups, just kind of know the definition of them. And as far as all of this determination, the amino acid sequence, know chymotrypsin, V8 protease, trypsin, cyanogen bromide, and what they target here. I don't think you need to know that they're all carboxyl side as opposed to the amino side. That's easy enough because all 4 that you have to know are carboxyl side. But just in case, don't worry much about learning how to sequence them. You won't be tested over that, but you will absolutely be tested over everything on these next 2 slides. So make sure you really understand what exactly is going on here on slide 58 and 59. So that is the quick summary review of Unit 3. Good luck.